Hey guys, we're on Symphony of the Seas, and this is our room number 6306. It's a balcony room. And when you're on Symphony of the Seas, it has these things. We've encountered this before in Japan. If you pull this out, it turns the electricity of the room off. It's an electricity saving thing. But the fact that they put this in here and don't make you keep your CPAS in it kind of defeats the purpose. Anyway. So here's the room. We tried not to muck it up too much, but it's not perfect anymore. It's a decent size, and we have a balcony. We got a mirror here. Yay. Full length for getting ready, and a smaller one. A table. Those are your plugs. We ordered water. So on Symphony, the water was huge. If we'd known they were this big, we probably would have ordered 12 instead of 24. And we got a couch, and I'm assuming that this couch pulls out into a sofa probably, in case you bring guests. Got a closet. Pretty decent closet. We haven't gotten our luggage yet. Hopefully soon. This is the bathroom. It's kind of off on the corner. About the same size as Adventure. And it doesn't have the dreaded curtains, so my husband's probably happy. Got your temperature control. The light switch is on the outside, so you can play some pranks on people, make them shower in the dark. Got some towels, little trash can, extra toilet papers, got some bath soap. Rules about the bathroom. There's some cups in here. And your shower. Hair and body wash. We don't like that stuff, so we brought our own. The shower is adjustable, and it also comes off since you're in a small space. That makes it nice. Got some loud traffic out there. There's all these drawers, and inside this drawer is a hairdryer. Got some tissues. When you come in, you'll have stuff about your internet package if you have one. You'll have your tickets, if you have tickets to anything, about shows. Got another closet. I think they're a little bit different. Yeah, this one has drawers and the safe. So if you don't want to take all your money around with you or your jewelry. The bed, you can have them separated into two beds, or the way they are now, I would say it's probably like a queen. Now this side has an outlet, thank goodness. Last one didn't have any outlets near the bed. Now over here on the side of the phone, you have like a port so you can charge your phone or hook phone stuff up in there. So no outlet, but you can at least hook your phone into there. Charge your phone from the phone. There's a TV. And you can look at the compass on there. All that kind of stuff. So we have the unlimited dining package instead of the unlimited drinks this time. So we had to make a plan, so when we went to book all these restaurants, we could just boom, 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 bang it right out, knew exactly what we wanted, because the venues sell out fast, especially if your ship is full. There is all this. Here's a QR code if you want to see the cruise compass. And of course, my husband's favorite part is the balcony. And that, my friends, is Miami. There's the city down that way. We're near the end of the boat. Not as far to the end as last time, but close to the end. That is the way out when the ship decides to start moving. And if we're lucky, there's a house down here a little ways. And every time the boat goes by, this guy comes running out naked. So I don't know if we'll see him or not, but we'll see. And there's the highway going somewhere. The room from the other direction. So as we stay in the room and discover stuff, I'll keep reporting on that, but that is the initial room review. I like this room, it's nice. Adventure was nice too. So I've got no complaints. Bye! We got this art piece above our bed, and I just noticed it's a little ladybug. A little big ladybug. So cute. Carnival Sunrise has started their sail away party. There they are. Bye, Carnival. Their boat's tiny compared to our boat. Look at that. Our stateroom attendant brought us our luggage. I wonder where it was prior to him not knowing we hadn't got it yet. If you've been debating whether to get an interior room to save money or pay extra for a balcony, because sometimes they can be expensive, here's my argument for the balcony. Just sit back, relax, and sail away. It's awesome. So if you can afford a balcony, I definitely recommend them. They're great. And you get to know whether it's day or night, because sometimes in the interior you have no idea. There's South Beach, my friends. Maybe someday we'll go there. He's having fun in our wake. With a balcony, you get to see all the sights as you sail away, and Miami is a pretty good one. And also, every night you get a spectacular sunset. So it's definitely awesome. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. More Symphony of the Seas videos are coming soon. See you later. Bye.